Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to change your A's on TikTok. It's a bit complicated video as we all know that TikTok does not have a direct setting to change A's on TikTok. Now to change your A's on TikTok, follow all the steps and watch this video until the very end. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now let's get into it. Firstly, open up the TikTok app. Once you get into it, make sure you have logged into your account. Now from the home screen, head over to the profile section on the bottom right, and from your profile section tap on three lines on the top right corner and again tap on settings and privacy, and then scroll this page to the bottom, and here you can see report a problem option. Tap on it and again you have to scroll down till the end and then tap on submit a report button. In this page you have to type in a request that you want to change your A's. You can type in something like this and tap on submit button. After submitting your report, you will send an email from TikTok within couple of days. Then you will be able to change your A's on TikTok, and that's how you can change A's on your TikTok. I hope this video helped you. If it did, like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.